In steel mills, durability is everything. That's why Amphenol TPC Wire and Cable has partnered with our customers to design the RTD probe assemblies built to withstand the most extreme temperature sensing applications.
It's during melt, so it's in a dangerous environment. It requires 2 to 3 guys to replace those RTDs in a very hot, dirty, dangerous environment. But by being able to provide a solution that lasts longer, you're reducing millions of dollars of downtime.
The customer's application was a hot and wet environment, so we decided to use our Chem-Gard product line, which was a perfect fit for this application.
Our Chem-Gard cable can withstand temperatures up to 250 degrees Celsius, providing reliable performance in extreme heat without degrading.
We can match up to the probe you're using today and improve upon it with a superior connection point and superior cable, and then adding an optional quick disconnect at the end.
By providing something that was fully connectorized and fully molded, that alleviated the customer's problem of cable failure from vibration, water spray, and extreme heat.
Contact us for a custom cable assembly consultation.